Hello guys, welcome back to the hard info channel. Today I do have the ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova earbuds, and I'm going to tell you how you can easily do a factory reset. So factory reset is actually very useful and easy. It's because when you do have some issue, you can just do a factory reset. To do so, have your earbuds in the case and tap 4 times, pardon me. Let me just hold in with my 2 hands, tap on these touch areas 4 times until you see red LED lights on this, as you can see, stick. 1, 2, 3, and now we should be in the pairing mode after the reset. They turned off and turned on, and now we are in the pairing mode. As you can see, that's how it works. Goodbye!